Tired of editing for hours? Just type one sentence and watch basketball turn into a futuristic blockbuster. First, I open CapCut Web and click Video Studio. Click Try Dreamina Seedance 2.0. Type my prompt and hit run. This is the new CapCut Video Studio, powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.0. Everything happens on one infinite canvas, where your ideas turn into visuals in real time. Workflow 1. Text to video. Let's start with something simple. I'll click on Try Seedance 2.0 and type a prompt. Pro street players doing sync tricks, dribbles, passes, dunks at golden hour, smooth motion, cinematic lighting. Now, I'll generate this. Within seconds, the system creates a full scene. Notice how motion feels natural. Every dribble, jump and pass follows real-world physics. The camera tracks smoothly and nothing feels artificial or disconnected. Workflow 2. Video extension. Now I'll take it a step further, starting with a base scene. I'll type anti-gravity street basketball with neon auras, holographic scoreboards, floating ball, light trails, and a cyberpunk skyline. Generate!
Welcome to the future of hoops. Forget gravity. Here we soar. Watch as players launch into the air for epic zero-gravity.
Now, instead of starting over, I'll extend this scene. I'll add same players on the same court, consistent style and motion, multiple videos displayed together. The result continues seamlessly. Same subject, same motion, same visual style, even as the environment changes. Workflow 3. One-line editing. Now, instead of creating something new, I'll modify an existing result. I'll enter a simple instruction. Change the scene to nighttime with neon lighting and increase motion intensity. Instantly, the system updates the visuals without rebuilding everything from scratch. This makes editing faster and much more flexible. Video Studio highlights. Throughout all of this, everything stays organized on the infinite canvas. Workflow 4. No creative ideas for your video production? Don't worry. Make a basketball promo video by selecting energetic sporty style, a warm male voice, a handsome and sunny athlete avatar, and minimalist white subtitles. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 comes with an extensive video asset library. It includes over 45 visual styles and AI image styles, more than 300 voice types, over 500 digital human avatars, and more than 200 subtitle options you can add to your videos. And now, do click my bio link to be the first to try Dreamina Seedance 2.0. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is now available limited time pro benefit inside CapCut.